Hi, kindergartners. Welcome back for math with me, Miss Harwood. Yesterday, we started talking about subtraction, and we were focusing more on the different parts of a number sentence. We're going to keep doing that today, and we're going to keep practicing our subtraction using those number sentences today, okay? Before we get started on subtraction, I wanted to play a little game with you. And for that game, your learning target is going to be, I can identify different numerals. Remember, identify means to name, right? And numerals is just another word for number, okay? So I'm gonna hold up different cards with numbers on them. And I want you to say the number before I do. You ready? Let's do one practice round. Here we go. 3. This numeral is 3. You guys get it before I did? I bet you did. You're super smart. Here we go. We're going to keep practicing. 6. The numeral is 6. Here comes our next one. Ready? 15. This number is 15. 1 and a 5 makes 15. Here's the next one. 24. 24. 2 and a 4 makes 24. All right, here's another one. Getting a little harder. 37. This numeral is 37. 3 and a 7 makes 37. Okay, last one. Ready? 50. This numeral is 50. A 5 and a 0 makes 50. Nice job. All right, I'm going to have to do another one later on this week to see just how smart you guys are. All right, let's get started on our lesson. For our main lesson today, we're going to be focusing on our learning target. I can subtract numbers within 10. So, the word subtract means to take away. So we're going to take away numbers within, remember within is between, we're subtracting between 1 and 10, within 10. You guys don't get to see the word 10 a lot. That's right, why I wrote the word 10 instead of the numeral 10. So read it with me. I can subtract numbers within 10. That's our learning target for today. We are going to subtract numbers within 10, and we are going to be subtracting using number sentences today. All right, let's take it away to our main lesson.
Before we get started, the materials we need today are number 1, paper, and number 2, a pencil. If you don't have those materials now, go ahead, pause this video and grab them because you're going to need them to do the activities that we're about to do. You can also use the whiteboard if you don't want to use your paper. All right. Yesterday, we went over the different parts of a number sentence. I want to review those different parts of a number sentence. So this whole number sentence we see here is 7 minus 5 equals 2. When I point to this sign, what is this sign called? A minus sign. Right, this is a minus sign. What about this sign? What is this sign called? Equal sign. Great job. So this is a minus sign, this is an equal sign. We also talked about whole and part yesterday. When I point to the first number, this is our whole. This is what we have all together, our whole. This is what we start with. Then we take away, right? This minus sign means take away. Take away one of our parts. So this 5 is a part. We take away 5. We take away this part. And then whatever's here is what's left over. This is the second part of our whole. So our whole, part, part. Okay. Today we're going to practice our number sentences using drawings that look like the circles. We've done that before. Okay. So first I'm going to show you, then we'll do it together, and at the end you will get to practice it yourself. Here is our first number sentence. And I'm going to draw a line to show that that's where I want the number to be. I want to find out how many I'm going to have left, which is why I drew this line. So first, I need to start with our whole. And our whole is 5, because that's the first number I see in our number sentence. So now, I am going to draw 5 circles. So I'm going to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my whole. I have 5. Now I need to figure out how many I have to take away. And remember that minus sign means take away. So take away 3. Okay, then 3 is next to the minus sign. So that means I'm going to take away 3. So in order to take away 3, I'm going to have to go over to my whole and I'm going to cross off 3. I'm going to take them away. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I took away. Now I need to figure out how many I'm going to have left over. If I'm going to figure out how many I have left, I know I'm going to need to count how many circles are left over in my whole. What's the part that is left over? Ready? Let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 circles left over, so that means my answer is 2. Okay, now that I've done one, it's your turn to do it with me. So we're going to do this next number sentence together. Ready? Here is our number sentence. 7 minus 4 equals, Remember, I'm just going to draw that line to show where I want to write how many I have left, to write where I want my answer. So let's start with drawing our whole. And what number is our whole? Our 7 or our 4? 7. That's right, 7 is our whole. So we're going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you guys should have 7 minus 4 equals, with 7 circles, because 7 is our whole. Now we need to take away and find out how many our minus sign, right? Our minus sign tells us to take away. We need to find out how many our minus sign is telling us to take away. And how many is our minus sign telling us to take away? 4. Great job. Let's cross out 4 because that is the buddy number next to our minus sign. So we're going to cross out 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now, how many are left over. How many are left over? We crossed out our one part, which was 4. Now we need to find out how many are left over. What's our second part? Let's count to see. You ready? 1, 2, 3. We counted 3, so our answer is 3. Nice job. Make sure that your number sentence looks like mine. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Great job. Let's do one more together. This time, I'm going to give you even bigger numerals to write. All right, our number sentence is going to be 10 minus 8 equals, so our whole number sentence is 10 minus 8 equals, all right, and remember we're starting with our whole. And which number is our whole? 10. 10 is our whole. So let's draw 10 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that looks like a 10 frame, doesn't it? 10. All right, now we need to take away how many? 10, take away or minus. How many are we taking away? 8. Our part, we're taking away 8. 8 is our buddy number to our minus sign, so we're going to take away 8. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now how many are left over? What's our part going to be over here? How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 are left over. Great job. Now you are going to have a turn to solve number sentences on your own.
Now, for this part of the lesson, you are going to solve 5 number sentences on your own using the circles the way that we did for this lesson. Just like yesterday, when you see these number sentences come up on the screen, you're going to need to stop the video and write these down on your paper or whiteboard. And then you're going to take a picture and send it to your teacher. Okay, so as soon as you see these number sentences, these 5 number sentences, you're going to stop the video and solve these number sentences using those circles.